Hello and welcome to Kashmir Now. I'm your host Akansha Parimu. Let's take a look at what made news this week. High inflation, high electricity bills and several other issues persist. POJK administration provides no relief. A banner exhibition highlighting advancements in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir held at the Broken Chair in Geneva. Farmers prep paddy fields in Rajouri as monsoon ushers in the Union Territory. Cricket tournament organised in Rajouri to encourage youth towards sports and shun drugs. And in our special section of Incredible India, we take you to explore Saputara, a majestic hill station in the state of Gujarat. The residents of Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir endure a year-long battle against soaring prices and unfulfilled promises. Despite repeated protests against inflation and high electricity cost, the administration provides no relief. A local, Fahab Hamid Kiani's revelation of torture while in custody underscores the harsh realities facing dissenters in this region. We have a report.
It has been over a year and the residents in POJK are still grappling with inflation and high prices of wheat flour and other essential food items. There have been several protests demanding subsidies on wheat and flour prices as well as electricity bills, but the administration has not fulfilled any of these demands. Instead, they arrested those who joined the protests. Fahab Hamid Kiani, who was arrested along with other protesters in May, revealed that he was tortured in jail for 6 days.
वहाँ पे 6 दिन हमें समझ लें टार्चर किया गया कि हमें बंद कमरों में रखा गया, बाहर निकलने की इजाज़त नहीं है, किसी से मिलने जुलने की इजाज़त नहीं है। जो बंदा जिसका कोई जुर्म ही नहीं है, जिस पे कोई FIR नहीं है।
During the massive demonstrations in May, 3 protesters and 1 security official were killed in clashes. An alliance of civil rights groups called off the protest following several days of turmoil when Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif approved a grant of 24 billion Pakistani rupees to help meet most of their demands. However, activists have now raised concerns over the lack of action in providing subsidies and any sort of relief to the residents.
लेकिन हुकूमत इस वक्त अपनी हठधर्मी पर डटी हुई है और वो अभी तक जो है आवाम को सब्सिडाइज आटा और फ्री बिजली का हक जो है, फ्री बिजली का हक भी उन्होंने ना दिया। 3 रुपये फी यूनिट जो उन्होंने ऐलान किया, 3 रुपये 5 रुपये, तो वो भी जो है अभी तक उन्होंने नहीं दिया।
Fahab told reporters that administration has not resolved any of their issues and has failed to fulfill any of their primary demands. He also highlighted that charges of murder have been pressed against the activists, which he believes are bogus and intentional.
जो है अभी तक मसाइल जो है वो हल नहीं हुए। हमारे बहुत से असीरान अभी भी रिहा नहीं हुए, जिन पे बेबुनियाद और बोगस FIR जो है वो उन पे लगाई गई है और उनको यानी 302 में अंदर किया गया है। जो ASI शहीद हुए उनका जो कत्ल है वो उन पर डाला गया है। हालांकि FIR में पुलिस ने ये चीज़ खुद लिखी हुई है कि इनको उस कत्ल से आधा घंटा पहले हमने अरेस्ट कर लिया था।
There are signs of unrest brewing among the residents over these demands. Locals in POJK are fed up with the administration and the authorities in the region. Heavy taxation and the lack of subsidies on food have disgruntled the local populace. Amidst inflation and a high degree of suppression from the administration, matters are getting worse in POJK.
Moving on, in a significant display of progress and development initiatives, a banner exhibition highlighting advancements in Jammu and Kashmir was held at the Broken Chair in Geneva outside the United Nations headquarters. Organized by Sheikh Khalid, an author and peace activist from Srinagar, in collaboration with global human rights defender Elena Valeo, the exhibition aimed to showcase the positive transformations in the Union Territory of India. Take a look.
Showcasing the progress and development in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, a banner exhibition highlighting advancements in the territory was held at the iconic Broken Chair in Geneva, outside the United Nations headquarters. Organized by Sheikh Khalid, an author and peace activist from Srinagar, in collaboration with global human rights defender Elena Valeo, the exhibition aimed to showcase the positive transformations in the Union Territory of India.
Today we are in front of the United Nations Palestine in Geneva. We are having a photo gallery where we are showing the positive stories of people of Kashmir and the development initiatives taken by the government of India. We can see the poster depicts about the positiveness and the developments taking place, especially about the students community, about the tourism, about the dal cleaning, about so many stories of developments taking place. And Kashmiris have taken the path ahead with positivity, and I think that's why I'm here to showcase the international community that Kashmir is safe. Please do visit Kashmir.
The exhibition featured a series of posters illustrating various technological interventions, advancements in food technology and processing, innovative approaches to Dal Lake cleaning, silk weaving traditions, and projects under the Srinagar Smart City Initiative. Reflecting on the historical context, Khalid emphasized Kashmir's choice in 1947 to integrate with India as a secular nation, opting for democracy and progress over alignment with the Muslim majority Pakistan.
The Kashmiri's future is safe in India. It's a secular country, and it was the Kashmiri choice in 1947 that they didn't want to go with the Muslim majority Pakistan. Rather, they want to live happily and enjoy the benefits of democracy and progress in the Union of India. I think the young generations are coping with it, but we have a challenge of cross-border terrorism. I think that the present government discussion is opposing and countering it effectively.
During his participation at the 56th session of the UN Human Rights Council, Khalid expressed satisfaction with the current government's efforts in combating cross-border terrorism effectively. The exhibition not only celebrates the rapid development in the Union Territory, but also aims to counter extremist ideologies, particularly among the youth. It signifies a shift towards positive narratives and showcases the resilience of Kashmiri people amidst challenges.
Moving on, as the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir welcomes monsoon season, farmers in Rajouri district are preparing their paddy fields for a healthy harvest. Although the region faced a prolonged dry spell this season, the Agriculture Department has remained steadfast in providing every possible support to farmers in terms of government schemes and advises to keep up the growth of the sector. With the constant support from the government and the department, the farmers are hopeful of a significant increase in their yields this season. Take a look.
With the onset of monsoon in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, farmers in the Rajouri district have started preparing their fields for sowing the first batches of paddy saplings. Nestled in the Pir Panjal mountain range, Darhal in Thana Mandi is one of the prime locations for paddy cultivation in Rajouri. The farmers living in the higher reaches come down to the foothills to cultivate their lands spread along the Darhali river. Due to changes in climatic conditions and a prolonged dry spell this season, the Darhali river has shrunk further, making it difficult for the residents to cultivate their lands. To tackle these challenges, the Agriculture Department has deployed teams of experienced officers to run awareness campaigns in the region. These teams are offering crucial advice on planting paddy saplings and informing farmers about various central government-sponsored schemes designed to support them.
ये एरिया है, ये पैडी में बहुत आगे है, लोग यहाँ पे ज़्यादा पैडी लगाते हैं, मगर इस बारी ड्राउट सीजन के बारिश नहीं होने का इनको थोड़ा इरिगेशन की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, मगर तब भी हम इनके साथ खड़े हुए हैं, कोई इनको परेशानी नहीं आए। इनके एलाइज डिपार्टमेंट के साथ हम पूरा तालमेल रखा हुआ है कि इनको पानी में जो नाले हैं पानी वहाँ पे आए और इनको खेती बाड़ी में कोई दिक्कत ना आए। तो और साथ में हमारे यहाँ पे HADP होलिस्टिकल एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम के तहत यहाँ पे पंचायत में बहुत बड़े अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम चलाए हैं हमने, और नेक्स्ट सेशन में अभी नेक्स्ट वीक में भी ये थर्ड फेज में चालू होने वाला है। वो जो हर पंचायत में हमारे एग्रीकल्चर वाले जो एग्रीकल्चर प्लस एलाइड डिपार्टमेंट के जो ऑफिसर हैं वो जाएंगे पंचायतों में और इन फार्मर्स को अवेयर करेंगे कि जिस टाइप का ये एरिया है उसमें कौन कौन सी स्कीमें लॉन्च करनी है।
The Agriculture Department runs several programs and schemes to benefit the local farmers. To provide adequate water supply to the farms during dry spells like this season, the department has built reservoirs, canals and channels to ensure a smooth flow of water for agricultural purposes.
यहाँ पे हमारा इस वक्त पैडी का सीज़न चल रहा है, जिसमें लोग पैडी लगा रहे हैं। तो एग्रीकल्चर की दफ्तर की ऑफिस से या एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट से हमारे यहाँ टाइम टू टाइम चेकिंग भी होती है, हर चीज़ की सॉइल टेस्ट भी होता है, और इस वक्त पैडी का सीज़न चल रहा है तो टीमें विजिट भी कर रही हैं। ये हमारे साथ अच्छा कोऑपरेट करती हैं। जो भी टाइम पे फसल होती है, चाहे वो पैडी हो, चाहे धान की फसल, इसकी मक्की की फसल हो, गंदम की फसल हो, उसमें टाइम टू टाइम बीज भी मिलता है हमें, और पोर्टल पे HADP पे रजिस्ट्रेशन भी लोग हो रहे हैं, जिसका बेनिफिट लोगों को डायरेक्टली मिल रहा है स्कीम्स के बारे में। तो बाकी ये है कि हमारे साथ डिपार्टमेंट अच्छा कोऑपरेट करती है, टाइम टू टाइम हर चीज़ अवेलेबल भी हमें देती है। जैसे आजकल HADP पर बहुत सारी स्कीमें चल रही हैं, दान की बीज की स्कीम हो, चाहे वो फर्टिलाइज़र वगैरह हो, कुछ भी हो, वो हमें मिलता है।
In Darhal and Thana Mandi, the paddy season is celebrated like a festival. Farmers gather in the agricultural fields and participate in activities like bull racing and traditional ways to cultivate their lands.
ये हमारा अवेयरनेस किसानों का जो मेला है, इसमें हर तरफ से लोग बैलों को लाते हैं, तो बैलों को ला के यहाँ पे बैलों को जूता जाता है। फिर यहाँ पे जो है ये किसानों के लिए एक अवेयरनेस है कि अपने बैल रखें, अपनी फसलें उगाएं। जब फसलें उगेंगी, खेतों को आप देखोगे, तो फिर उसके बाद ये जो है हमारा सर्कल जो है चलेगा।
To establish a sustainable and profitable agricultural ecosystem for the farmers in Darhal and Thana Mandi, the Agriculture Department conducts many awareness campaigns in the area. Under their Holistic Agriculture Development Program, the local farmers are being equipped with knowledge and tools that can significantly increase their productivity. The government is actively engaged with farmers in the Union Territory, and continuous efforts are being made for the holistic growth of the agriculture sector.
The Social Welfare Department organized a cricket tournament in collaboration with Youth Services and Sports Department in Rajouri district recently. The week-long tournament saw participation of youths from Thana Mandi, Darhal, Manchkot, Kotranka and many other far-flung areas of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The event garnered much praise from the district administration, which has remained committed in fostering a drug-free and a healthy society in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Take a look.
In order to provide a platform to the Kashmiri youth in the field of sports and keep them away from drugs and other ill practices, a cricket tournament was organized in Rajouri district. The tournament was organized by the Social Welfare Department in collaboration with the Youth Services and Sports Department on 26th of June. The day has been designated by the United Nations as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Om Prakash Bhagat, Deputy Commissioner Rajouri, inaugurated the tournament and extended his wishes for a prosperous and a drug-free society in Kashmir.
मेन मकसद है हमारा जो लोग पहले इसमें आ चुके हैं, इन्वॉल्व हो चुके हैं, उनका ट्रीटमेंट करना, उनको सपोर्ट करना, उनको रिहेबिलिटेट करना, ताकि हमारी सोसाइटी, हमारा समाज पूरी इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे
ड्रग्स फ्री हो, हेल्दी हो, सिक्योर हो और प्रॉस्पेरस बनाए, यही हमारा मकसद है। और यहाँ सारे यूथ को यहाँ एकत्र करके हम लोग यहाँ इसलिए इकट्ठा किए हुए हैं ताकि इनका मन जो है, इनका जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में लगे, नाट के इस तरीके से कोई इलिसिट काम करने में लगे। और ये इनको ये मैसेज भी देना है कि आप अपनी फैमिली में, जैसे हमने प्लेज लिया, आप जानते हैं कि उसमें हमने बताया इनको कि ना केवल अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने फैमिली, आसपास के लोग, बल्कि आप खुद के लिए भी प्लेज लीजिए, क्योंकि चैरिटी ऑलवेज बिगिंस फ्रॉम होम। तो आप पहले अपने आप को सुधारिए, देन यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर सोसाइटी, इम्प्रूव योर द एंटायर कंट्री।
Youths from various areas including Thana Mandi, Darhal, Manjakot, Kotaranka and Buddhal participated in this one-week cricket tournament at the sports stadium Khyora, Rajouri. The district administration's efforts are highly appreciated by the youth who express their gratitude for the initiative under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूं और रिक्वेस्ट भी करता हूं डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कि भाई इस तरह के टूर्नामेंट वक्तन फ़ौक्तन यहाँ पर होने चाहिए, ताकि फ्यूचर में जो हमारी जो कमिंग जनरेशन है उसको एक मौका मिले, ताकि वो अपना एक पार्ट प्ले कर सकें और बैड हैबिट से दूर रह सकें। जितना यूथ स्ट्रांग रहेगी, जितनी वो अच्छी रहेगी यूथ, उतना ही वो स्पोर्ट्स में ज़्यादा जो है वो अपना हिस्सा डालेंगे, जिसकी वजह से हमारी जो कमिंग जनरेशन है उसमें जो है ड्रग्स की जो है ना ये लत नहीं लगेगी।
शुक्रगुजार हैं अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के, इस डिपार्टमेंट के, यहाँ की मैनेजमेंट के जिन्होंने इन्होंने ये स्टेप उठाया है, तो हम इसके साथ हैं और हम इसके लिए स्पेशल थैंक्स करते हैं पूरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के, जिन्होंने जो ये ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। तो हम आगे भी उम्मीद रखते हैं कि ये टूर्नामेंट्स जो हैं वो आगे ऑर्गेनाइज करें, ताकि हमारी यूथ जो है वो इस ड्रग्स बैड हैबिट्स से जो है वो निकले और स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ ज़्यादा तवज्जो दे।
The event not only provided a platform for the youth to showcase their talents, but also served as a powerful message against drug abuse. The young players also took an oath to live a healthy life and create a drug-free society. The district administration of Rajouri remains committed to this cause and will continue to organize similar events in the future.
Nestled in Gujarat's Dang district amid the Western Ghats, Saputara Hill Station offers an unforgettable escape into pristine nature and breathtaking landscapes. From exhilarating paragliding adventures high above the valley to serene boat rides on Saputara Lake, this hill station blends thrill and relaxation for every visitor. Let's uncover this majestic tourist destination in Gujarat.
Situated at about 1000 meters above sea level in approximately 95 miles from Surat city, Saputara Hill Station is a paradise in the Western Ghats, blessed with unadulterated nature and picturesque landscapes. The hill station offers a plethora of activities to make every visit wholesome. Let's start with paragliding, a thrilling experience that allows visitors to soar high in the sky and marvel at the wondrous natural beauty below.
Right now I am enjoying this paragliding. In paragliding we have spent more than 5 minutes. Good experience, instructor is also good.
सापुतारा एक टूरिस्ट प्लेस है, तो यहाँ पे नहीं कि गुजरात के बल्कि पूरे इंडिया से और पूरे वर्ल्ड से टूरिस्ट आते हैं। और ये जो पॉइंट सापुतारा है, यहाँ पे पैराग्लाइडिंग मतलब एक नया पॉइंट बन गया है। ये एक एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी है, तो अभी के लोगों को और जनरेशन को एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रेज कर रहा है।
Saputara continues to amaze with its lake view garden nestled amidst the valley, offering a perfect family outing. Visitors can enjoy serene boat rides on Saputara Lake, enhancing their experience with paddle boats that blend leisure and exercise for all ages. Away from the daily hustle, families can enjoy picnics in the lush green garden alongside the lake, complemented by numerous food stalls offering typical Maharashtrian and Gujarati street foods.
અહીં સાપુતારામાં ફરવાલાયક સ્થળો છે, બોટિંગ છે, સનસેટ પોઈન્ટ, સનરાઈઝ પોઈન્ટ, ટેબલ ટેપ પોઈન્ટ, ઝીપ લાઇન, રોપવે, બધું સરસ છે. અહીંયા અમે અવારનવાર આવીએ છીએ. સમરમાં અને મોન્સૂનમાં, ખાસ કરીને મોન્સૂનમાં વધારે મજા આવે છે. સમરમાં પણ એકદમ ઠંડક હોય છે એટલે ગમે છે, અને નાઇટમાં પણ બહુ સરસ જોવાલાયક દ્રશ્યો હોય છે. એનું સ્ટ્રીટ ફૂડ પણ બહુ સારું છે અને લો કોસ્ટમાં છે. અહીંની હોટલ એવું પણ બહુ સરસ છે. એનો એક્સપિરિયન્સ પણ અમને ઘણો સારો મળ્યો છે.
આ બધું જોઈને મને બહુ અતિ સુંદર લાગ્યું. જે મેં પહેલે 5 વર્ષે જોઈ ગયેલી તેના કરતાં તો અત્યારે વધારે સારું લાગ્યું. એ ઝાડ વૃક્ષો, અહીંનું વાતાવરણ, અહીંની ઠંડક, ગરમી જેવું તો કંઈ લાગતું જ નથી. ને આપણાને ફરવા, ખાવા પીવાની, એન્જોય કરવાની બધી એ અમને મળી છે તેવી કોઈ જગ્યાએ નહીં મળે. એટલે મને સાપુતારાનું જે મહલ હતું તે અતિ સુંદર લાગ્યું.
At Saputara's highest point lies Tabletop, a flat-topped hill and popular tourist destination offering a serene ambience and cool breeze. Tourists can engage in activities like horse riding and camel riding, adding more fun to their experience. As the sun sets, tourists flock to Sunset Point for a thrilling ropeway ride, combining the excitement of a cable car journey with panoramic views of the lush green valleys and Saputara Lake below. Whether seeking a peaceful retreat or a place for family and friends, Saputara promises a memorable experience with its captivating views and tranquil atmosphere.
That's all we have for you in this week's episode. Goodbye and take care.
आप देख रहे हैं डीडी कश्मीर, एहसास कश्मीर का।